Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello friends, welcome to Circle Time in Miss April's classroom. My name is Miss April. What's your name? I'm so excited that you joined me today. We have a lot to learn in Circle Time. Let's start with our weather song. What is the weather, the weather, the weather? What is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? What is the weather today? Okay, friends, it's time to look out of our weather window so we can see what the weather is today. Ready? Ooh, what's the weather like today? It's another snowy day. Can you help me make a weather sentence? Perfect. First, we need to pick out a weather picture. Which picture shows a snowy day? If you chose this picture, you are correct. It does show a snowy day. Let's add it to our weather sentence. Okay, can you help me read today's sentence? Perfect. The weather is snowy. Good. Let's read it one more time. The weather is snowy. Perfect. Okay, now it's time to sing our snowy day song. Ready? Snowy, 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 it is snowy today. S-N-O-W-Y, snowy, it is snowy today. Great job, friends. Okay, now we need to help Perry the polar bear get dressed for a snowy day. And if it's snowy outside, it's cold outside. Let's help Perry get dressed. He already chose his top. What kind of top did Perry choose to wear today? He chose his winter coat or his snow coat. Let's add it to Perry. What color is his winter coat? It's green. Great job. Now we need to help Perry pick out some bottoms. Which bottom should Perry wear on a cold, snowy day? Should he wear his long pants or shorts? If you chose the long pants, I agree. When it's snowy and cold outside, it's best to wear long pants to keep you warm. Let's add the long pants to Perry. And his pants match his top. They're both green. Now let's put some shoes on Perry. What kind of shoes should Perry wear on a snowy day? Perry should wear his snow boots. Let's put Perry's snow boots on his feet. 1, 2. Perry has 2 snow boots because he has 2 feet. Now all that's left is something to protect his hands. What can Perry wear on his hands on a snowy day to keep them warm? He can wear gloves or mittens. Perry has mittens. What color are Perry's mittens? They are green. Good. There we go. Perry is all dressed for the cold, snowy day. I hope he has lots of fun playing in the snow. It's not snowing where I am. I wish I could play in the snow today. Okay, now that we're finished with the weather, it's time to move on to our letter of the week. Do you remember what our letter of the week is? It's the letter R. Can you say R? Fantastic. Do you remember what sound the letter R makes? It makes the R sound. Can you say it with me? R. Perfect. Let's take a look at our uppercase R and our lowercase r. Our uppercase R is a tall letter. It has a straight line down, a curve at the top, and a line kicking out at the bottom, a diagonal line. Our lowercase r is a short letter. It has a straight line down and a little curve or hook at the top. Let's take a look at pictures today that starts with the letter R. That means they'll start with the R sound. Are you ready? Let's take a look at our first picture. Ooh, what is it? It's a rainbow. I know that rainbow starts with the letter R because I hear the R sound at the beginning. Listen, rainbow. Did you hear it? Perfect. Let's look at another picture. Ooh, what's this? It's a rocket. I know that rocket starts with the letter R because I hear the R sound at the beginning. Listen, rocket. Did you hear the R sound? Fantastic. Okay, let's look at one more picture. Ooh, what do you see? It's a ring. I know that ring starts with the letter R because I hear the R sound at the beginning. Listen, ring. Did you hear it? Perfect. Okay, friends, now that we're finished with our letter of the week, it's time to read our word of the day. Let's see what letters are in today's word. I see the letter C, the letter A, and the letter P. Okay, let's talk about the sound that each letter makes. What sound does the letter C make? It makes the K sound. Good. What about the letter A? What sound does the letter A make? It makes the A sound. What about the letter P? What sound does the letter P make? It makes the P sound. Awesome. Okay, now we're only going to say the sounds. We are going to sound out our word to see if we can figure out what it is. Ready? K, A, P. Good, let's go faster. K, A, P. K, A, P. Cap. Do you know what our word of the day is? Cap. Cap. Our word of the day is cap. Did you get it? Awesome. If you didn't get it, it's okay. We are going to practice every day reading words. Reading takes a lot of practice and time. So don't give up. Just keep trying. Okay, now that we're finished with our word of the day, it's time to move on to our number of the week. Do you remember what number this is? It's the number 8. Our number of the week is 8. Can you help me count to 8? Okay, that means when we hear the number 8, we have to stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. I heard the number 8. We did it. We counted to the number 8. Now it's time to put 8 stars in the sky. Can you help me? Perfect. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good, 6, 7, 8. I heard the number 8. That means we need to stop. Let's count one more time, just to be sure we have 8 stars. Count with me. I'll point to keep track of the ones we've already counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it! We put 8 stars in the sky. Okay, now it's time to move on to our color of the day. This week we are reviewing colors. Now it's time to review the color black. The color of the day is black. We are going to start by singing our black song. Remember, use the pictures that you see on the screen to help you remember the words. And if it's a little too hard, it's okay. Sing as much as you can and just follow along. Ready? Let's sing our black song. B-L-A-C-K spells black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Flying bats are black, scary cats are black, jelly beans are black, I like black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Sunday shoes are black, Santa's boots are black, B-L-A-C-K spells black. Awesome job, friends. Let's try it one more time. B-L-A-C-K spells black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Flying bats are black, scary cats are black, jelly beans are black, I like black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Sunday shoes are black, Santa's boots are black, B-L-A-C-K spells black. You did it! You sang our black song. Okay, now it's time to sort objects. We are going to sort the black objects. If the picture or the object is black, we'll put it in the circle. If it's not black, we'll leave it right where it is. Ready? Let's take a look at our pictures. Our first picture is a rabbit. Is the rabbit black? No, the rabbit is not black. We'll leave it right where it is. Next we have a dog. Is the dog black? Yes, the dog is black. Let's move it to the circle. Our next picture is a tire. Is the tire black? Yes, the tire is black. Let's put it in the circle. Our next picture is a book. Is the book black? No, the book is not black. We'll leave it right where it is. Next is a spider. Is the spider black? Yes, the spider is black. Let's move it to the circle. Our last picture is a horse. Is the horse black? No, the horse is not black. Let's leave it right where it is. Awesome work, friends! You helped me sort all of the black objects. Great work! Now it's time to review our shape of the week. Do you remember the name of this week's shape? It's an octagon. Can you say octagon? Perfect. Let's count the sides on an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many sides does an octagon have? It has 8 sides. Now let's count the corners. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many corners does an octagon have? It has 8 corners. An octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. Today, we are going to go on a hunt for octagons. You'll see shapes on the screen, 2 different shapes, and you'll have to circle or point to the shape that's an octagon. Can you do it? Perfect. Let's look at our first 2 shapes. Which one is an octagon? If you pointed to this one, you are correct. It is an octagon. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. Let's try another one. Which one is an octagon? If you chose this one, you are correct. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. It's an octagon. Okay, let's look at our last 2 shapes. Which one is an octagon? If you chose this one, you are correct. It is an octagon. Great job, friends. You helped me find 3 octagons. Awesome practice. We knew the shape was an octagon if it had 8 sides and 8 corners. Hey, that's it for our circle time board. That means it's time to take a brain break. And after our brain break, it'll be time for our daily message. So take a short brain break and make sure you go to part 2 of today's videos to join me for our daily message. Enjoy your brain break. Bye. Hi friends, make sure you watch part 2 of today's videos. It's our daily message time, and that's when we learn all about this week's theme. Also, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos from Miss April's classroom, make sure you click subscribe.